Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design the rocket nose cone seen here. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Come on up to File, and let's start a new design. We're going to go ahead and start a sketch here on our XY plane. And the first thing we're going to do is change our settings here from inches now to millimeters, since we'll be 3D printing these. Okay. Alright, so now let's go ahead and draw a line here that's perfectly vertical here, and we're going to make that distance 47 millimeters. All right, and then we are going to drag out another line here, perpendicular to this line, a distance of 14 millimeters. And I'm going to zoom in here so you guys can see a little better. And then we're going to drag out a small line across that's also perpendicular, just 1 millimeter, okay? And then we're going to create a construction line that just kind of goes all the way up. Take it out of construction line mode, okay? I'm going to hit escape, and I'm going to come on over here now, and we're going to create an arc, a 3-point arc. You always want to click once where you start an arc, click again where you want your arc to end, and then use your mouse here to adjust, okay, your radius here. And I'm just going to kind of make it like that, and then I'm going to come over to my tangent constraint. I'm going to click there, and now we're good. We're tangent to this line, which is what we want. So now let's go ahead and hit escape, and I'm going to click on my construction line. Now that I don't need it anymore, I'm going to delete it, and let's go ahead now and just dimension this, okay? And that's it. All right, let's go ahead and finish our sketch. And now we're going to go ahead and do a center revolve. So it's going to highlight our profile, and it says now let's select our axis. So let's click there. There's our axis, looking good, okay? All right. Next thing we want to do now is create our threads in here. And to do that, we're going to first just make a hole here. So let's start a sketch here and drag out, okay, a circle with a diameter of 16 millimeters. I'm going to finish my sketch, and I'm going to extrude this now a distance of 11 minus 11, and we're going to cut it and hit OK. All right. And then the next thing we're going to do now is come over here to modify, and we're going to put a small little chamfer on here. This will make it easier for our threads to go on there. So we're going to put 0.5, hit OK. And now we're going to come up to create, and we're going to add a thread right there. And it should automatically give you a M16 thread, which is what we want. But make sure you check model, because you're going to be 3D printing these. All right. So go ahead and model that guy, and then make sure it says right hand and select OK. All right. And that's it. All right, the next thing you want to do now is just go ahead and give it a color. So in a physical material, I'm going to select ABS plastic, close, and I'm going to give it a nice cool red appearance. So go down to modify and appearance, go to paint, and then glossy, and we're going to paint it red here, okay? Looks pretty good. I'm going to close it. When you're all done, you're finished, go ahead and don't forget to save it when you're all done. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.